I'm Balaji P. I'm here to explain the numerical adjectives in technical English topic. Numerical expressions. In a general, numerical expression is a combination of numbers and one or more operation symbols. Adjectives are mainly words which tell us more about nouns, pronouns. Their function is to tell us what kind, which one, how many, what position, or what color. Numerical expressions. To put it more precious, a word accompanying a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place, or thing which the noun names or to tell the numbers of quantity is called an adjective. Example: he was first in the race. What position? He is a brilliant girl. What kind? Classification of adjectives. Adjectives can be classified as follows: adjectives of quality, adjectives of number, descriptive, possessive adjectives, adjectives of quantity, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives. Numerical adjectives. Numerical adjectives are those that express numbers, or numerical adjectives is simply the grammatical term for numbers. They include 1, 2, 3, first, second, and many other. Numerical adjectives are divided into cardinal adjectives, ordinal adjectives, and multiplicative adjectives. Cardinal adjectives. The cardinal adjective shows how many it is used for counting. Example: one life, 5 apples. Ordinal adjectives. The ordinal adjectives show which one of a series it is used for king. Example: the third floor, the first chapter. Multiplicative adjectives. The multiplicative adjective shows the number of repetition it is used for multiplying twice that once achieved. Note: when a numerical is used as noun, the cardinal, like the pronominal adjectives, take one article. On the other hand, the ordinal uses the article. Two only were present, the third was lost when a numerical expression is used. Example: the bridge is 2 km long, a 2-kilometer bridge. A team of 9 members, a 9-member team. Workshop lasting for 2 days, a 2-day workshop. 150 RPM, 150 rotations per minute. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.